From the dawn of time, humans have sought to control the forces of nature. But it wasn't until the 20th century that we unlocked a power born from the heart of the atom itself, the atomic bomb. In this video, we'll delve into the mind-blowing facts surrounding this awesome power, exploring its creation, its devastating effects, and the precarious balance it maintains in our world today. Picture this. It's the 1940s, and the world is engulfed in World War II. Against this backdrop, a secret scientific endeavor was unfolding in the United States, the Manhattan Project. This top-secret program brought together some of the greatest scientific minds like Robert Oppenheimer and Enrico Fermi. Their mission to unlock the power of the atom and create the most destructive weapon the world had ever seen. Driven by the fear that Nazi Germany might develop the bomb first, scientists raced against time, working tirelessly in secret laboratories across the country. Entire cities like Oak Ridge, Tennessee, and Los Alamos, New Mexico, were built in secret to house the scientists and the facilities needed for this unprecedented endeavor. Now let's talk about the science behind this incredible and terrifying power. At the heart of the atomic bomb lies a deceptively simple equation, EMC2, Einstein's iconic formula. Atomic bombs utilize nuclear fission, a process where the nucleus of an atom, either uranium or plutonium, is split apart by a neutron. This splitting releases a tremendous amount of energy and, crucially, more neutrons. These newly released neutrons go on to strike other atoms, causing them to split and release even more energy and neutrons. This chain reaction of splitting atoms and cascading neutrons is what gives the atomic bomb its awe-inspiring power. The atomic bomb harnesses this chain reaction, multiplying it exponentially in a fraction of a second, releasing a blinding flash of light, a deafening roar, and a mushroom cloud that becomes a chilling symbol of its destructive power. Chapter 3: Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the Dawn of the Atomic Age. In August 1945, the United States unleashed a terrifying new weapon on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The bomb's little boy and fat man instantly killed tens of thousands. Hiroshima was reduced to rubble in a blinding flash. The heat vaporized buildings and melted steel. Survivors faced slow, agonizing deaths from radiation sickness. 3 days later, Nagasaki faced equal devastation. The bombings forced Japan's surrender, ending World War II. The world reeled from the scale of destruction. The bombings marked the dawn of the atomic age, defined by power and destruction. Chapter 4: The Cold War, Living in the Shadow of Armageddon. The atomic bomb didn't just end World War II, it cast a long shadow over the decades that followed, shaping global politics and igniting a terrifying new era, the Cold War. The Soviet Union, seeing the destructive power of the atomic bomb, raced to develop their own nuclear weapons. This arms race between the United States and the Soviet Union became a defining feature of the Cold War. Both sides amassed enormous stockpiles of nuclear weapons, each capable of unimaginable devastation. The threat of nuclear war loomed large, hanging over the world like a sword of Damocles. The world held its breath during events like the Cuban Missile Crisis, where the two superpowers came perilously close to nuclear war. The fear was palpable, permeating popular culture, shaping political discourse, and fueling anxieties about the future. Chapter 5: The Nuclear Present, A World on a Knife's Edge. So, where do we stand today? The Cold War may be over, but the threat of nuclear war hasn't vanished. We live in a world with thousands of nuclear weapons, many on hair-trigger alert. The risk of nuclear terrorism or regional conflicts escalating remains a concern. The proliferation of nuclear technology adds complexity and danger. More nations with these weapons increase the risk of them falling into the wrong hands. Thankfully, efforts to reduce nuclear weapons and prevent their spread continue. Outro: The Legacy of the Atomic Bomb, Our Shared Responsibility. From the top-secret labs of the Manhattan Project to the lingering threat of nuclear war, the atomic bomb has left an indelible mark on human history. It's a stark reminder of our capacity for both great ingenuity and immense destruction. As we've explored in this video, the science behind the atomic bomb is awe-inspiring, but its consequences are sobering. Understanding its history, the forces that led to its creation, and the precarious balance it maintains in our world today is crucial for all of us. If you found this exploration of the atomic bomb fascinating, Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more thought-provoking content.